Today, we're starting our first week of trading with an Autobot. We'll run our Autobot on 15 trades each day, and at the end of the 5th day, we'll see what the results are. All we need is $100. You can join us. Let's get started. This is a great challenge for an Autobot, and we'll be interested to see what the bot can achieve in 5 days. We'll show you everything every day for a week. You can also top up your account with $100 and complete this challenge with us. Share your results in the comments. Our first excellent trade with the automated bot brings us immediate profit. We'd like to remind you that you can get the automated bot absolutely free by following the link in the description. Start trading fully automatically with us. We will also accelerate 5 transactions so that you can see in dynamics how the bot analyzes the market and adapts to it. Only half of the transactions have been completed, but our balance has grown rapidly. I think the bot showed an excellent series of transactions, which means we can immediately proceed to the second half. The results are right there on your screens, friends. In just the first day, our $100 turned into $314. I wonder what the results will be on day 5. Then subscribe so you don't miss out.